Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday, April 27th, and here's our math lesson. Okay, I can name and count shapes as parts of a whole and recognize relative sizes of parts. All right, boys and girls, what do we need to do to this I can statement? What do we need to do? We need to break it down. Say, break it down. I can. Say, I can. Name. So if we're going to name, we need to talk, right? Name. So you could also say name. You have your little person here. He's talking. Talk. Say. And count. What does that, count? What does that sound like when you count? Right, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're such great counters. And I'm going to put our numbers right up here. And dot, 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 dot. Shapes. And last week we learned a lot of different shapes. Today I really want us to focus on our 2D or our flat shapes. So can you give me an example of a shape we learned last week? What was one of them? What'd you say? Right, triangle. Triangle, we learned about triangle. What else did we learn about? What other shape? Square. Nice job. Square. What else? What other shape did we learn about? Rectangle. Yes. What other shape? The trapezoid. So smart. What is another shape we learned about? Rhombus. Nice job. Beautiful. So those are all the different 2D shapes we've learned. Our flat shapes as parts of a whole. So you're right, you can kind of think of a number bond, right? You have our part, whole. So today we're going to be using different shapes to make the whole. So we learned about composite shapes, shapes that you make from shapes, right? Shapes made out of shapes. And today we're going to use these different types of shapes to make the whole shape. So parts. So we're going to have to use many triangles or many trapezoids to make the hexagon. We're really trying to use those little parts, so our little shapes, to make the bigger shapes. And, I forgot to draw the hexagon up here. We did learn hexagon. Okay, so we're going to think of our part-whole relationship. So you're going to have many parts to make up the whole. Nice job. And recognize. So when we recognize something, we need to be able to see it. Yes, nice job. And if we see it, we're going to recognize, see it, know it. I'm going to draw my little guy here with his little hands. He's putting his thinking cap. Oh, he knows it. Lightning bolt. Relative sizes. So we need to be able to look and see those shapes that we're putting up in parts. Are they the same size? Because we want to split them into equals, so it's equally split. So if we split a circle in the middle, let's say we have our circle here. I'm going to draw it up here. We want to split this circle equally. So relative sizes. So we want our parts to be equal. So my drawing is not exactly perfect because it's a little tricky to draw on the right board, but it's pretty darn close, right? It's pretty super close. And these parts the sizes are equal, the same sizes of parts. Okay. Let's read this statement back. It's jam-packed full. Woo! All right, ready? I can. Say it with me. I can. Nice. Name, talk, say, and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way up. Shapes. We have our hexagon, triangle, square, rectangle, rhombus, and trapezoid as parts of a whole. And C, gotta know it, the relative sizes of the parts. So we want to make sure those parts are equal or the same size. Same size parts. So we want same size parts. So today, boys and girls, we're going to be using our shapes. We're going to be using our shapes to split shapes up into equal parts. So same size parts. All right. Very nice job. Yeah, and I know this is a new topic we're learning. How do you feel about this so far? Happy? Miss Hurley, I think I know what we're going to do. Great. Love it. In the middle. A little nervous. This seems tricky. And that's okay too. Thumbs down. Really nervous. And you know what? That is all right because we're going to work through this together. So you will be a master by the end. I can't wait. We're going to work through it together. Don't be nervous. Alrighty. Guess what, boys and girls? Guess what we're going to do? We're gonna sprint. Get your math sprint out. It looks just like this. It's labeled on the top. It says April 27th, Monday, 4/27. Oh, get that out. Get it out. Alrighty. Alright, you're gonna sprint. Okay, make sure you have a pencil in your hand. Alright, I'm going to set my timer. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds to get that pencil moving and grooving. On your mark. Get set. Sprint. Got 1 minute, 30 seconds. Sprint. Focus. You got it. It's addition and subtraction. Focus. You're doing great. 1 minute. Keep that pencil moving and grooving. If you don't know when, skip it. Go back to it later. Keep working. You've got it. 45 seconds. You've got it. You've got it. 30 seconds. Keep going. Keep trying. You've got it. Sprint. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. All right, grab a colored pencil, a marker, or a crayon so we can go over this. We can correct it together. If you don't have a crayon, a colored pencil, or marker, don't worry about it. You can keep using your pencil. Alrighty, ready? I'm going down. We're going over this. So by the end of this, you should have all of them filled in. Okay, because a sprint, we're just working on our fluency. 15, take away 5 is 10. Nice job. Moving down. 16, take away 4 is 12. Moving down. Oops. 17, take away a mystery number is 6. That number is 9. 18, take away a mystery number is 9. That number is 9. Moving down. 19, take away 4 equals 15. Nice job. Keep moving. 7 plus a mystery number equals 15. That number is 8. Moving down. 6 plus 9 equals what? That number is 15. Moving down. Next one, 6 plus 7 equals 13. Moving down. 8 plus a mystery number equals 15. That number is 7. Moving down. The last one on this column. 9 plus a mystery number is a 15. That number is 6. Moving on to the other column. All right. 13 take away 5 is 8. Moving down. 11 take away 2 is 9. Moving down. 10 take away 4 equals 6. Moving down. 11 take away blank is 4. That number is 7. 12 take away 3 is 9. Moving down. 0 plus 9 is 9. Moving down. 5 plus 1 is 6. Moving down. 13 equals 8 plus a mystery number. That number is 5. Moving down. 2 plus 8 is 10. Moving down. Last one, sorry. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Alrighty, boys and girls, you should have that all filled in. All filled in. Do you have it all filled in? Nice job. Alrighty. Let's get back to our I can statement. We're gonna be using shapes to split the shapes into parts, equal parts. Okay, but before we do that, guess what I've got? A math story. What do we do with a math story? What do we do, boys and girls? Right. First, we need to read the story. Then we need to draw the picture. Then we need to write the number sentence and the statement. Nice job. RDW. Read, draw, write. All right, get out your whiteboard and your marker. Use a paper towel or a tissue as an eraser because here's our story. Ready? Okay. Whoopee. All right. Peter. Ready? The first time I read the story, I want you to just listen. The second time I read the story, I want you to get that marker moving and grooving. Nice job. Okay. Peter set up 5 rectangular prisms to make 5 towers. He put a cone on top of 3 of the towers. How many more cones does Peter need to have a cone on every tower? All right, let me read it again. Peter set up 5 rectangular prisms to make 5 towers. He put a cone on top of 3 of the towers. How many more cones does Peter need to have a cone on every tower? RDW. Read, draw, write. Alrighty, I'm going to start it. Okay, Peter set up 5 rectangular prisms. And here, your rectangular prisms, you can just make rectangles. It'll be a lot easier. Okay, 1. Whoa, I need a better angle. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are my rectangular prisms. All right, he puts a cone on 3 of them. Okay, here's 1, 2, 3. All right, and they want to know how many more cones does he need? All right, so we need to, what would our takeaway number sentence be? You could do addition as well. Okay, let's do both. All right, what would our takeaway sentence be? 5. 5. Take away, how many cones do we have? 3. And 5 take away 3 is what? You can see how many more cones do we need? 2. Nice job. What would the addition sentence be? Right. 3 plus a mystery number equals 5. And what is that mystery number, boys and girls? 2. Nice job. Okay. And our statement would be Peter needs how many more cones? 2 more cones. I'm going to write that up here. Peter needs 2 more cones. Very nice job, boys and girls. Very nice job. Erase your board. Erase your board. Alrighty. We are going to be making shapes out of shapes today, our composite shapes. And we want to make sure they're equal parts, right? Okay. So, boys and girls, you could get out your pattern blocks that you cut out from an earlier lesson. If you could get those out, that would be great. If you don't have them or you can't find them, you can just watch me too. Okay. And I have my pattern blocks right here. All right. I'm bringing you down so you can see the shapes a little bit better, okay? Coming on down. First, I'm going to get out my, what shape is this? Hexagon. Say it. Hexagon. Nice job. All right, I'm going to bring you down so you can see it on my table. Okay. You see my hexagon, right? Okay. Here's my hexagon, right? And remember, last week I used what to make the hexagon? I used little, I'm getting them out, my different triangles. Bear with me. Getting them out. Here we go. All right. So remember last week we learned we could make a hexagon using our little green triangles. So here we go. I'm going to set it up. So we can use how many green triangles to make a hexagon? It's super slippery. I'm going to move it over to the side so you can see it. All right, so we have how many green triangles make a hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? All right, my question, boys and girls, is this, we have this, the yellow hexagon. We just split it up using the green triangles. Is the hexagon split into equal parts? Look, equal parts. Does that look equal? If you're making it with your pattern blocks, does it look equal? Does it look equal? It is equal because these green triangles are all the same size, right? This hexagon is split into 6 equal parts. How many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is split into equal parts. I'm going to leave that right there. What if I did this, boys and girls? Let me get out more shapes, more shapes, more shapes. Okay. All right, now I have my rhombus. I'm going to try to fill this up using my rhombus. So now I made my hexagon using how many triangles and how many rhombuses? Right, I used 1 rhombus and 4 green triangles. Did I split this hexagon up equally into equal parts? Is this equal? Are all the parts in this hexagon the same size? No, because is a triangle the same size as a rhombus? No way, Jose. No, the rhombus is bigger. So is this split up equally, boys and girls? No. No way, Miss Hurley. No way. All right, I'll put that away. No way, Jose. All right, now let's try. I still want to try to split this up equally. Okay, we know we couldn't do it that way. Okay, let's see. Can we do it? Let's try using our trapezoids. Can we split the hexagon up using the trapezoids in equal parts? All right, let's see. Okay. Did I split the hexagon up into equal parts when I used the trapezoid? Equal parts. Each part is the same size. Are these the same size, boys and girls? Did it split it up equally? Yes! You can use 2 trapezoids to split the hexagon up equally. So now it has how many equal parts? 2 equal parts. Two equal parts. All right, let's try another way. Let's try, let's see. Can I do, okay, let me try this. Let's use our trapezoid. Let's see, maybe a rhombus. Oh, and then a triangle. Okay, check it out. Move these guys over a little bit. All right, check this guy out right here. I have the triangle, the rhombus, and the trapezoid. Is this hexagon that I made split into equal parts? Look at the part sizes. No, the triangle is not the same size as the trapezoid or the rhombus. No, is this equal parts? Not equal parts. No way, Miss Hurley. All right, didn't work. Okay, let's try. Let's try using rhombuses and see if we can split it up into equal parts. Okay, here we go. We have our rhombuses. Let's see if we can split it up. Oops, that's not a rhombus. Okay. All right, did I split the hexagon up into equal parts if I use all the rhombuses? What do you think? Yes, yes, boys and girls. If you use 3 rhombuses, the rhombuses are all the same size, so it's split up into 3 equal parts. So yes, I see it. Yes, it's split into equal parts. See, they're part, whole. All these parts come together to make a whole. And they're equal sizes. Super important. It's split into equal sizes. So we just used this hexagon, right? And we split it up into a bunch of different ways. We used rhombuses to split it up into equal parts. We used trapezoids to split it up into equal parts. And we used triangles to split it up into equal parts. All the parts are the same size. All the triangles, same size. The 2 trapezoids, same size. The rhombuses, all the same size to make the hexagon. Very nice job. Do you see the equal parts? Do you see it, boys and girls? Nice job. All right, I'm going to bring you back up. All right. Nice job, boys and girls. Let's get out our packet, okay? And we can do the first couple together. All right, looking at the first page, it says equal parts. Find the shapes that are divided into equal parts. All the parts, so they have the shape and they split it into equal parts. All the parts need to be the same size. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let me get a marker. All right, you should use a pencil, or you could actually use a crayon to color, or a marker. All right, your name is on it. Let's look at this circle. Is the circle split into equal parts? Look at it. Does it look like all of the shapes inside of that circle are the same size? Yes. So you will color that in, and I will color that in as well. All right, let's go to the rectangle over here. Look at this rectangle. Is the rectangle split into equal parts? Look at this triangle and this triangle. Do they look the same size? Yes, nice job. So you will color that in. Okay. All right, moving down to this rectangle. Look at it, boys and girls. Does this rectangle look like it's split into equal parts? If I gave you this piece, would that be fair if you wanted the bigger piece? No. So is it split into equal parts? No. You can draw an X through it. You can leave it blank. No way, Jose. All right, I'd like you to finish this worksheet, color in the shapes that are split into equal parts. All right, let's go to the next page. It says equal parts on the top. Write how many equal parts that each shape has. Each shape has. All right, checking out this rectangle. How many equal parts does it have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts. So you'll write 5 on the line. So you're going to go down. We'll go to the next one. We can go across. How many equal parts does this circle have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. And you'll write 4 on the line. All right, boys and girls, how do you feel about counting equal parts? Happy? Okay, sad. Show me. Nice job today, boys and girls. Very nice job. Remember, you can always rewatch the video if you're a little confused. You can always call me, text me, email me. I'm very available and I want to help. All right, boys and girls, I missed you so very much. Remember, wash your hands. Love you. Bye. Stay healthy. Bye.